Welcome to a presentation of Vehco's system for fleet management. We will in this presentation show you some of the key functionality and we hope you find it interesting. Very well. Our system is used by the drivers in the vehicles as well as in the office, typically by the transport management team, the HR team for the salary calculations, and also by the financial department. Let's start by taking a look how the system is used in the office. In the map application, you get a full control of all your vehicles and other assets that you have in your fleet. You can see them in real time and also through a tracking feature where they have been, what stops they have done, etc. In the current selection on the right hand, you can for one vehicle at each time see who is driving it. You can get some tracking information. You can see there's a short link to see the emissions and also the status of the driving resting times. It's also possible to see if there are any messages to this driver or vehicle, and also the different kind of activities that have been registered for this vehicle or driver. In the geofence functionality, it's possible to create an area, either like a circle or a rectangle, and then you can set alarms and produce reports when vehicles are entering or leaving this area. Through the driving resting times overview, you can see the current activity for each driver. You can see how the daily driving is and the different shifts, and also see the past driving this week to get a full control of what assignments and orders you can push out to each driver. And it's also possible to go in more into detail to see what events and times have been registered from the tachograph for each driver. And then it's also possible in Weboffice to get an overview of the different missions that are executed by the drivers. You can see the status, what's actually happening out there, how far they've come, and if you have been loading, etc. And in the message service, it's possible to send out message to the driver or to several drivers or vehicles, and also get responses. And one key feature is to actually predefine answers, so the driver will not need to fill in text him or herself. It can just through entering a yes or no button. These were some of the key features in the Vehco system for fleet management. Thank you so much for listening, and please contact any Vehco representative for more detailed presentation.